Hello coders and welcome to Humaka. Today we're going to explore GitHub and Visual Studio Code and how they can help you manage your projects and collaborate with others. Now if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into it. First of all, we're going to create a GitHub account, so let's start with that. We can go to github.com and right in the top right corner we're going to see sign up. Let's click on that to create our GitHub account. We're going to get a brief message here like welcome to GitHub, and we need to enter our email here. Now for demonstration purposes I'm going to use a dummy email just to because I do have an account here with GitHub, so I'm just going to show you how you can create it for the first time. Now again, if you already do have a GitHub account, feel free to skip ahead. Now let's put in our email here and create a strong password here as well and click on continue. Now here is where you enter the essentials. Now this username, it's going to, you have to make it memorable because it's going to it's how the coding world will come to know you, basically. So make sure you pick a unique username that represents you and something that you like. Let's try here testmail123 for the sake of this video and click on continue. Alright, let's see, I think here it's already taken. Okay, yes, this one is available. Now it's going to ask us if we want to receive occasional product updates and announcements. I usually don't click on that because I don't want a bunch of emails in my mailbox, but it's totally completely up to you. Let's click on continue and we get this verification page. It might differ on your end, but we just need to verify that we are a human. Click on submit and eventually it's going to send us a verification email on our email, on your personal email. Now you can go back to your email and open the email that you just received from GitHub. You're going to receive a code, a one-time verification code. You can copy that and paste it. By the way, I have copied it using Control-C and I have pasted it here using Control-V on Windows. After we have verified our email address here, we get to this page. Basically is some information about you. Now if you're new to GitHub, you can just click on just me, that is just you that is going to use this GitHub account, and probably you don't have any team members at the moment, but that's totally fine because you can change it in the future. And here you can select if you're a student or a teacher or not applicable. So basically if you're a university student, you can click on student and teacher and so on. In this case, I'm going to go to not applicable. Now of course you can change that in the future as well. Let's click on continue. Now it's going to ask you here what you're going to use GitHub for. It can be either collaborative coding or automation and CI/CD. CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment or development, or deployment, development, or one more thing that I forgot about, but no worries. And it depends on what you're going to use GitHub for. Now if you don't know at the moment, you can just click on continue and leave those as blanks because again you can change them in the future. Let's hit on continue, and here we're going to use the free plan, not the team for the moment, until we get used to GitHub, and probably if you want to collaborate more and scale this in the future, you can go with the team plan, but for the moment we can continue for free on GitHub. And congratulations, now you're officially joined the coding community on GitHub. This is your account. You officially have a GitHub account. Now if you go on the top right corner, you're going to see your username here and your profile, your account, and the many settings that you can change on GitHub. Now in the next part, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub repository, and we can continue from there.